Hey guys, I'm at 323 Allen Street. It's a beautiful condo in the Fishtown area of Philadelphia. You guys gotta check this out. Welcome to 323 Allen Street. This is the fourth unit of the condo, and on the first floor you will see your living room, your kitchen, as well as a half bath. Then on the second floor is where you'll find the 2 bedrooms as well as your full bath. The condo is just over 1,100 square feet and offers a private rooftop. This condo is currently listed at $419,900. Let me know, what do you guys think of this home?